Hi guys, so today we will learn how we can extract pattern based data from any website. So for this video as a demo, I am using Amazon website. By using Amazon website, what I am trying to do, I will search for a particular item and will try to extract their name and price. Okay, so I opened my browser and I am trying to open Amazon website. Once it loaded, I will search for an iPhone and will hit enter. Once the iPhone lists are available, as you can see, there are multiple iPhones are available. So from here, I will extract their name and price. So as you can see, all the data are of same pattern or as in same pattern based structure, and there are multiple pages. So by using UiPath automation, what I will try to do, I will navigate to every page one by one and will extract all the iPhone names and their prices from each pages. The name and price of the iPhones. So now we will create one process and we will name that like extract pattern based data. We'll hit on create and it will create our project. So first we have to select that browser on which we have to work. So for that we will use open browser activity or browser activity. So let's search. So we have activity like use application or browser. So let's select that and drag and drop this activity and let's indicate on that browser which we have to automate. So we will click on indicate application to automate, and first we will open that Amazon website and then we will indicate this website there. So as you can see, it's indicated that browser. Now we will set some properties of this like open. There are three options you will see, like never, if not open, and always. So it will always open, or we will select if not open. If not open, this browser is get loaded, or if it's open then it will not load. And second, we will select maximize. So every time this browser is open in maximize state. Second and third thing is it will close. After doing all the operations, our browser get close if it is opened by this app browser activity. So our next step is we have to search iPhone. So before searching, we have to write iPhone in the search box and hit enter. So we have to select this search box, then to select that, we will use type into activity. So, and we will indicate that particular text box where we have to write our text. Yeah, so now I am selecting this. Yeah, so it's selected, and no need to modify their property because it's absolutely fine. And now we will write iPhone, and after that we will hit enter. So for entering, there is one drop down. So there is some properties of this also, so just check that before moving. Yeah. Yeah, so it all looks good now, and then we will hit enter. As a second step, we will use delay, because after hitting enter, we will wait for some seconds, like for 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and then we will start to capture or to extract our data. So just I am putting just delay of 5 seconds. You will put according to yours. Yeah. So let's try here manually. Yeah, so after writing iPhone, I hit enter and the results are displayed here. Yeah, so same thing we are going to do through UiPath. So same thing, same activities I put there on UiPath. So these are multiple, you can see there are multiple lists of iPhone. So let's see how it is going to extract. So for extracting that, we will use table extraction activity. So just hit on select data to extract and just indicate the similar pattern data. Yeah, so there are two options, extract text and extract URL. So if you hit on extract URL, it will give you a URL, but for now we need only text, so I selected only text and just select different same pattern data so that it will select all. So if you scroll down, now you can see all are highlighted. It means all are selected and all are going to extract. Yeah. So by doing this, we are only extracted names, but now we have to extract price also. So just hit on confirm and then we will move ahead to extract price. Just name it name, and second just click on select data to extract and now indicate the price. So yeah, so to hold a little bit automation, just control plus F2 and then select your price and just select below price, so that it will analyze, okay, this is the pattern based data I have to extract. Okay, so I am selected both and now I will, so you can see there is no price here, so it's not highlighted and it's only showing 15 prices there. Yeah, so it's fine. So just hit on confirm and name it price. Okay, so you can check preview also. So just see there are multiple phones are extracted. You can also see in preview and just close. But we have to extract from multiple pages. So we will hit on yes, and now as a next button, if you will see in this page as a next button, what is given here, it's like next. Okay, so we have to select that as a selector. So next, hit on next and yeah. So after extracting from this page, it will click on next button and it will move to next page and it will extract all the similar data that we are selected on first page. Okay, so from here you can also limit your extraction, like how much data you want to extract, how many data, with what number of data you have to extract. Yeah, so there are multiple properties you are set according to your preference. Yeah, so after extraction we are going to write that data on Excel file. Okay, so I am taking write range activity and just put the name according to your choice. So I am putting iPhone list.xlsx. The sheet name just put on sheet 1 or anything from your choice, and extract the data table, because the data what extracted from extract data table activity is stored on extract data table dt. So just put on there and click on add headers. Yeah, so now we are good, and now we will see how it is going to work. So let's close all the browsers and all the open things. Just close all and let's hit on run. Yes, okay, so it started running. Let's see, we will analyze its result. Let's wait for a few minutes. It's compiling. Okay, so it's started running, you can see. Okay, so it's opening the Amazon browser. Now as a second step, it will search for iPhone, press enter. Yeah, now it is extracting the data. Okay, let's see how it is moving and how it is extracting. Okay, so after extracting, it will move into third page, fourth. So it's keep on going till last page. Whatever the pages are available, it will go one by one by hitting on next button, and it will stop after page completion. So let's see. Still extracting. I think it's done. Now it will close the browser. Let's see. So it's closed the browser. Okay. Yeah, so I guess all data are extracted. Let's see our Excel file. Okay, so file is created. Let's validate data. Okay, so name and price are extracted. Yeah, you can see here, and total number of data 154. Okay, so 154 items extracted that are all of similar pattern. Okay, so let's validate from one page it's extracted correctly or not. So here you are seeing Apple iPhone it's 64 GB, revenue 209. Apple iPhone 11 Pro, yeah, it's extracted 395. Third is Apple iPhone 14 Pro, 256 GB. Yeah, it's extracted, but the price is not available, that's why it's not extracted and it's showing blank here. And at last data, if you will see, it's i14 Pro Max smartphone. Yeah, so it's if you are seeing here, it's okay, it's on row number 16. Yeah, so it's extracted 158, and the rest of the data are from different pages. Yeah, so it's extracted, its price is 158, and the rest of the data you are seeing, it's extracted from the different pages. By now we're getting to the next page. Yeah, so finally it extracted all the data and we also validated. Okay, so likewise, by using UiPath, you can extract any kind of similar pattern based data from website. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.